Alright, so cold start. Let's go, boy. Alright, so for the agenda for today, new vlog, papakabit natin yung tie rod end from CTR. So this is a Korean brand, known Korean brand na gumagawa sa mga Hyundai as I know of. The tie rod end plus this bushings sa front suspension din. Since we need to do that, ayun, kasi nagpapakita na sila ng signs of shift. Plus, and we got our silent, ayaw we got a silent Atrezo ZSRs, bro. Ayun. So, sir, bro, new wheels, new tires, di pala wheels. We got 4 of them, and yun, para masagad natin din si Suzy. The G boys. Gada, pumiyak pa ako. Para mapakabit na natin yung tie rod end and stabilizer bushing, you know what I'm saying? Pero yeah, okay, kalawang sway bar is okay. Bushing, medyo matigas. I don't know kung matigas talaga. Resonator. Dang. sir. At Roman Tires. And si Suzy. Sir, shout out. So, andito ako sa lounge ng Roman Tires. And ganda ng lounge nila. Malamig. There's fucking fish. And kita mo yung kotse mo. Si Suzy. Right there, bro. Diba? Tsaka sa labas kasi papatugtog sila ng copyrighted music. So, yeah, dito na muna ako sa loob. As G-Boys. Hello, bro. Sir, Suzy with no wheels. Roll rear wheels, bro. Ganda ng mechanism nila. Double 10 seconds.